Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, they said, I am starting an online business, and as part of it, I have to write up a contract between me and some partners/suppliers. I have been quoted $2,000 by a lawyer to write it all for me, but I am trying to write it on my own. Can I hire partners and suppliers without a contract or write my own? Can I write my own terms and conditions, shipping and returns policy, etc.? I want to keep costs down. All right. I absolutely respect that you want to keep your costs down in this situation. It sounds like you're a new entrepreneur. I respect you might be on a shoestring budget. But let me ask you this. What would be more expensive? Hiring a lawyer to draft a contract template for you to use with suppliers and partners? Or would it be more expensive if you have to hire a lawyer over a contract dispute when things go wrong because you either didn't have a contract or you used an ineffective contract? I suspect it's the latter. In my experience, it's the latter. It's much easier and more cost-effective to prevent legal problems than to have to deal with a legal dispute, which could put you into litigation and contract negotiations or settlement negotiations, which tend to be a longer and more painful process versus if you had a lawyer draft an effective contract to begin with, you could have avoided the whole situation. So I can't tell you whether or not $2,000 is a fair price. What I would do is shop around and explain to lawyers your situation, your budget, what you're trying to do, and ask them what they can do for you, what their price is, and ask them if it's more cost effective just to have them write the contract from the beginning or to review a contract that you try to draft yourself. Because a lot of people come to me thinking that if they write their own first, that it'll be cheaper and easier. And oftentimes, because I've written so many contracts and I can pull provisions from past pieces I've done, it's actually more cost effective to have me just write it from scratch. So I would ask around about that to make sure that you are putting your time, energy, and money or using those resources most effectively in your business. So I hope this has given you a jumping off point so that you can do some more research and homework, and maybe you can find a lawyer that can give you a better price, or maybe $2,000 is the best price you're going to get. I can tell you that if someone comes to me looking to hire me for litigation, the retainer that I require them to pay up front is more than that. So there's some food for thought for you. I hope this has been helpful. If you have a question you want me to answer in an upcoming video, please leave it as a comment below or send me an email. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. That's all I have on this topic for now. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.